Well, this video is long overdue. So, do you remember when I bought the plate and it had the two things? Spoiler alert, by the way. I've done it. I've actually done the fitment, okay? But I'm nearly there. I've just got a wee bit more to grind down. There it is with the button in. So that's how it's going to sit in the car. Are you going to leave it all in? Yeah. Can I like this? Right. So basically, I will be putting that's my music system in. Okay. And then this will be the one that shows the power for what's in the battery. I'll also be able to charge my phone up through it as well. And the switch. The one I've been talking about, getting the switch off and on all the time. So, here's a problem we've got. I'll let you see it on the other side. I'll fit it first. Say hi, Bo. Yeah. Right, no, why you go? Right, so here it is fitted, and I've done it in a grey PLA, but look at the colour difference, and I thought, well, I'll go and do it black. And I thought to myself, hang on a minute, I've painted that, and I've painted them, so surely I must have some of that paint left. So, before I go and reprint a black one, I think I've got silver there. Let's go and see. Well, I got lucky, and well, I've had the Junior rotary tool out, so if you can see there, I've cut a couple of wee notches out there. That's for the small one because it's got to go in and then it stops it turning. So that's done. The recesses now, they're done, so I've tidied them up a wee bit and give it a quick rub down. I've got a wee painting booth here, so first thing I've got to do is I've got to cover it with a plastic primer. Okay, then I put a coat of the no, that's one of it's the satin, no, yes, base coat. This is actually the dark grey colour that's actually on the dash, so this will give me a perfect match. And then I finish it off with a couple of coats of satin lacquer. Okay, so without further ado, I'll just give this a wee now I'm not a professional, so look, there you go. So there's my wee spray booth, okay, into here, and I've got it just sitting up. And the reason I've done this is, well, one's for the overspray, but also, if I can actually turn it like that, I'll maybe let you see what the results are. There you go, you can see that there. Right. Now bear in mind, this has not got to be a brilliant job. This is just really for fitting in the car, and when it fitted in, as rough as it is, it'll look nice. Right, so. Now I'll put a couple of coats of this on, distance and drain time. So there's a 10 to 25 minutes of drying time. I think the 10 minutes will be okay here today. He's well lifting this up so you can see me. You're not really interested in that, are you? No, didn't think so. But I'm really excited about this because it took me a while to go into this project. Now I'll get an update. I also had it up that the Porsche was for sale. And lo and behold, I've changed my mind. I was very lucky that I only got actually one call for it. So I decided to take it off the market. Right? A lot of tire kickers not going about, but... And that's what spurred me off. So today, I went with Bo to go and get petrol. And, well, that's a skint now. £50, half a tank. God almighty. So, I can see now that's been 3 minutes. So I'm another couple of coats. no got to be bonny. Right, let that dry, then I'll come back and we'll put the colour onto it. Well, what a day this has been. What a success as well. Rather than going through the processes of painting, I've just done it. Okay, so here is the finished product. Ta-da! So this is ready to go, and while I was waiting on the paint drying, I wired that up. So here's what's happening now, okay? So you'll see that on the switch here, if I come in close enough, right, so you'll see this top one here is gold, alright? That's basically an earth. So the earth goes onto that. The middle one is continuous power in. The bottom one is connected power out. So this will loop it into this, which loops into this, and it's the same for the earth. Will loop into that, which will loop in. Actually, I can, there you go, look, that'll actually, I can put that on there now because the switch is in. Yeah, so there you go. So the live will, these wires are sitting in the car by the way, right? So the live will go into that, and then I've just got to join that earth to the earth in the car as well, which I've got a way of doing that. But the only problem I've got is it's going to just sit in, and I would really like this to be fitted. Now, the reason I'm so chuffed with this, I've got a, this is the bit of the dash. This actually sits under, this sits underneath this. So, just to give you an idea, there you go. I think that's not bad for a colour match. And I'm quite chuffed at that. And what this will allow me to do now is, this will turn just my standard Porsche setup will now go to, I'll have Bluetooth in it, it'll connect to my phone, I will have DAB radio, the whole lot, just through this one wee small box. So I'll get into that and show you that though once I've got it all fitted. So let's go and fit it in the car. This is the bit I didn't like because I'm outside with the cars and you're getting the noise of the traffic just now. So to make this quick, alright, you've seen them pre-wired. There's my live, and there's my earth right down here, and then there's my tail earth, which that is going into. Okay, so here goes for nothing. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, all in fitted, all installed. Here's my wee box of tricks. What I do now is, I give it power, that's ignited. There you go, Bluetooth mode is on. I hit my wee button in here. There you go, my battery is sitting at 12.3. And, if I start her up, There you go. 14.3. And then it'll start dropping down again. So, the top is USB, oh, what's it called? USB-C, yeah. That's a USB-C charging point. And down below you've got 3.0 USB charging point. I've got another 3.0 one there. And then this one here, this is a slower charge, but at least it gives you, you can, you know, plug an iPod or something in that way, something that's old-fashioned that's not got it. I can also, if I want, I can change the colours of the screen on this. Look at that. How lovely is that? And then of course the 107.5, now that's the FM modulator part of it. So if I push my stereo on,
family and lots of other things, and I will be calling in on her later. As we're in the UK, expected to be warmer than Jamaica.
I've got it, there it is. So on FM9, there you go. So 107.5 will pick up the 107.5 on that. And then that lets me use my phone for my music. Now, due to copyrights, obviously, I can't show you that, but there you go. Well, I'm a happy bunny with that. That turned out much, much better than I was expecting it to. And there you go. That's everything all, and everything's all sorted, and it's all self-powered as well. So, at a flick of a switch, that hissing you're hearing is because it's looking for 107.5. When I switch it back on,
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode
Connected.
Yeah, so there you go. Now I can put that right up to, that's on full volume. So I'll try that again. So that's a lot louder because it's on full volume. But the minute you give it power,
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
namaste. Thank you. So that's it. That's it for me. I hope you've enjoyed this one. It's been an absolute blast doing this. I'm glad I've got it on. What's next? Well, guess you're just going to have to tune in and find out. I hope you liked this. Hit the like button for us. Smash that thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome to Random Therapy. I've got a lot on the go. I've got a lot happening. And if you're a mental health sufferer, I'm your support. Okay, till the next time. Catch ya.